Good morning, sir. Myself P. Bharat Kumar. My department of ECA section. And my roll number is 2340180416. Subject name is Signal System and Stochastic Process. And subject code is 23ECE301. The topic name is Characteristics of First Order Stationary Process. Characteristics of First Order Stationary Process. And the introduction to first order stationary process. First order stationary process are stochastic process whose statistical process do not change over time. These processes are characterized by a constant mean and constant variance throughout their duration. Understanding these characteristics is essential for various fields including financial, engineering and environment science. Definition of stationary. Stationarity. A stationarity is defined as one where the joint probability distribution remains unchanged when shifted in time. First order stationary specifically focused on the first movement and the second movement of the process. The concept is fundamental in time series, analyzing and helps distinguish between different types of process. Constant mean. One of the primary characteristics of first order stationary process is that they have a constant mean. The mean value remains the same regardless of the time and which is observed. This process ensures that the average behavior of the process is stable over time. Constant variance. Another key characteristic is that first order stationary process maintain a constant variance. The variability of the process remains the same throughout its timeline, including coincidence fluctuations. The stationary in variance is crucial for the reliable precedence and the modeling of the process. Auto-covariance function. The auto-covariance function for first order stationary process depends only on the time lag and not on the actual time points. This means that the relationship between values and different times can be analyzed without time dependent biases. The structure of auto-covariance function provides insight into the correlation patterns of the process. Examples of first order stationary process. Common examples include white noise and certain auto-regressive process. In white noise, the values are uncorrelated and have a constant mean and variance. Auto-regressive process of the order 1 AR1 can also exhibit first order stationary under certain conditions. Importance in time series analysis. First order stationary process are pivotal in the time series analysis as they allow for the application of various statistical methods. Many statistical tests and methods assume stationarity to be valid, making it crucial for the accurate analysis. Identifying whether a process is stationary helps in selecting appropriate modeling techniques. Testing for stationarity. Several statistical tests can be employed to determine if a process is first order stationary, such as the augmented Dickey-Fuller test. Visualizing the time series through plots can be assist in assessing stationary indicators. If a process is found to be no stationary, differencing or transmissions may be necessary for further analysis. Implications of the non-stationarity. Non-stationary process can be lead to misleading conclusions in data analysis and forecasting. They often exhibit trends and stationality which complicates statistical modeling. Addressing stationarity is essential to ensure the reliability of predictive models and interpretations. Conclusion. First order stationary process play a critical role in understanding and analyzing time dependent data. These characteristics of the constant mean and variance simplifying many statistical techniques. Mastery of this concept is virtual for researchers and participants working with time series data. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.